In this video, I will show you how to test the air quality for carbon monoxide using Alcon CO monitoring tool. So when you receive the monitoring tool, you get the CO monitoring and connection box. And we have here 24-volt power supply. This is optional. If you are mounting the CO monitoring on a compressor, you're not going to need this. You can supply 24 volt from the compressor. But if you are using the tool as an external device that you can test multiple different things when needed, you can ask for the power supply. Unit also comes with a regulator, and we have optional here a couple of adapters. This is a CGA adapter, so I can do the air testing from a SCBA bottle, as you see here. And we have a yoke adapter here. If you are testing the air quality direct from a compressor with the yoke valve, you can use this adapter. And now let's do a testing. I'll show you how everything connects together. On this one, I'll put my CGA valve on the tank. And I'll connect my regulator here with the quick connect valve. And I have a small air pneumatic hose that will be connected from regulator to CO monitoring. Now I can turn the air on and airflow will start to the monitoring tool. I hear airflow started. So right now this air going to the monitoring tool, it's checking the air against carbon monoxide. If a carbon monoxide found, and this will turn to red, and using this device you can also turn the compressor off. We have stop buttons, stop connectors in this control box, connection box, that you can wire to the emergency shut off switch of the compressor. That way, if the CO is detected, this unit will turn the compressor off. And let's say that the CO is detected, and basically when you remove the you remove the cause of the CO, but your screen is still red, so you have to do a purge. You can clear, if there's a gas error, you can clear the gas error like this, and you can also do a purge. Come on the purge, press and hold for a couple seconds. It's purging the gas. It'll purge the gas for a few seconds. That way, when clean air comes through the monitoring tool, it's not going to detect again. We also receive this tool with an RFID card. This RFID card is, if you need to change any settings on the unit, you have to use this MasterCard. Basically, you scan it right here. It goes to the menu. So on the menu, you have one here, CO gas calibration. Whenever you want to do the calibration, you will use this screen, and we recommend once a year. And we have set CO error levels. If you want to change the error level of the CO, you change from this screen. And if you want to set the unit to factory defaults, this is where you do it. And I'll show you how to do the calibration. You come on the CO gas calibration. I'll press and hold for a couple seconds, and I'll see this menu. First, it's asking me the calibration date. This was calibrated in 2024, 10th month of 10. So I'm not touching anything, so I'll just skip that part. And then next, I'm seeing the CO. Right now it's reading 0. Basically, what you have to do, you have to get a tank with a CO. Let's say that you have a 95% CO tank, you connect that tank here, you're supposed to read 95 here. If you are reading 95, your sensor is calibrated. But if you are reading 94, and that means you have one offset, you press on this, and the next screen you have the offset screen. You bring this to 1 or -1, however you like to calibrate up or down, and then that way you calibrate the tool. And this is pretty much it. It's very easy to use and compact device. This tool is available for CO, CO2, oil, oxygen, and moisture. Or you want to have everything together, that's also possible. We can put all the different cells inside the monitor for different gases and moisture. Thanks for watching.